Hello friends, this is Bharani, Dasarathan and Santosh. We're doing our final year project in image processing. Our project title is Using Combined Difference Image and K-means Clustering for SAR Image Change Detection. And our project guide is Mr. Shiva Saravana Babu. In this title itself, we can see some key terms, that is K-means clustering and SAR, which is synthetic aperture radar. K-means clustering is a method of vector quantization originally from signal processing that is popular for cluster analysis in data mining. K-means clustering aims to partition n observation into k clusters in which each observation belongs to the cluster with the nearest mean, serving as a prototype of the cluster. This results in the partitioning of the data space into Voronoi cells. Synthetic aperture radar is a form of radar whose defining characteristic is its use of relative motion between an antenna and its target region to provide distinctive long-term coherent signal variation that are exploited to obtain finer spatial resolution than is possible with conventional beam scanning means. It originated as an advanced form SLAR, which is side-looking airborne radar. SAR images have a wide application in remote sensing and mapping of the surface of both the Earth and other planets. SAR can also be implemented as inverse SAR by observing a moving target over a substantial time with a stationary antenna. Change detection can be defined as a clustering process which clusters the pixels of the two SAR images occurred on the same geographical area but at different times into two classes, changed area and unchanged area. First, we use one of the most popular denoising methods, which is probabilistic patch-based algorithm for speckle noise detection. Second, a simple combination framework which uses the maps obtained by the mean and median filter. Then we finally using the K-means clustering with k equal to 2, which is used to cluster it into two classes, changed area and unchanged area. Existing system. In existing system, we use supervised approach, which is needed for some labeled samples. The unsupervised methods generate the difference image directly depending on the two SAR images, which is using in the current project. Disadvantage of existing system is lacking of the ground truth in real applications. In proposed system, the local consistency and edge information of two kinds of classical difference image and can be implemented easily. And the disadvantage of existing system is overcome in the proposed system. Then my friend will continue.
System requirements, operating system, Windows XP language, and the language used here is MATLAB and version MATLAB 7.9. Architecture diagram. This is our architecture diagram. SAR image 1 and SAR image 2, PB denoising and PB denoising, subtraction operator and log ratio operator, mean filter and median filter, and which are combined by combination framework and k-means and images detector. Modules, probabilistic patch based algorithm, change map generation, difference image generation, combination framework and k-means clustering. Module description. PBB algorithm. PBB algorithm filters aims to define a suitable patch based weight to generalize the Euclidean distance based weight used in the NL means algorithm. The idea is to extend the NL means algorithm to non-additive VGN models. Patch based filtering, non-local approach. There are two, local filters and non-local filters. Local filters are selected by neighborhood pixels, and non-local filters are selected being in a similar context. Noisy images, these are the noisy images. Change map generation, we use the traditional difference image generation operators to generate two kinds of difference images. The subtraction operator and the log ratio operator are used in this letter. DS is the subtraction operator and DL is the log ratio operator, which is given by modulus of x1 minus x2, and DL operator is given by modulus of log x1 plus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. Difference in image generation, the mean filter is used for the change map DS and obtained by the subtraction operator. Mean filter, brief description about mean filter. Mean filter is a simple and easy to implement method of smoothing images, that is reducing the amount of intensity variation between one pixel and the next. It is often used to reduce noise in images. How it works? The idea of mean filtering is simply to replace each pixel value in an image with the mean value of its neighbors, including itself. This has the effect of eliminating pixels which are unrepresentative of the surroundings. and the median filter. Brief description about the median filter is: the median filter is normally used to reduce noise in an image, somewhat like the mean filter. However, it often does a better job than the mean filter of preserving useful detail in the image. How it works: like the mean filter, the median filter considers each pixel in an image in turn and looks at neighbor to decide whether or not it is representative of its surrounding. Combination framework. To get the final difference image, we propose a final simple combination framework to combine DS and DL using the expression. The combination can take advantage of smoothness and enhance local consistency provided by DS and the edge preservation by DL. DS is the subtraction operator and DL is the log ratio operator. K-means clustering. K-means clustering algorithm is used to partition the difference image D into two clusters.
We first selecting two images by giving file name and its path with the image name. Then we giving global declaration in order to call all variables in order. UI get file is used to select the image, then read the image, and here we doing two operations. One is converting to gray and second is resizing it. We converting original image to gray image because in our paper we doing only for gray images. Resizing is done to get a square matrix. Then we performing PBB algorithm. Here we converting the image to double for processing the image. Then here we doing noisy PSNR for image 1 and 2 and we denoising it for image 1 and 2. Then we going for subtraction operator. Here this is the syntax: z equal to im subtract image filter 1 comma image filter 2. Then we doing log ratio operator, and this is the formula for log ratio: L equal to log 1 minus log 2. Then we going for mean filter, and this is the formula for mean filter: Zm equal to im filter z comma h. Then we doing median filter, and this is the formula for median filter: mf equal to medfilt to L comma matrix 3 by 3. Then we finally doing combination framework. This is the formula for combination framework: CFI equal to alpha into Zm plus 1 minus alpha into mf. Finally we doing the detected changes. Then we got the final output. We selecting the images input 1 and 2. We selected the two images. Then we performing PBB algorithm and we got the noisy PSNR and denoisy PSNR in image 2. Then we doing subtraction and log ratio operator. Now we doing mean and median filter. Then finally combination framework and a detected changes we got. Thank you.